There is no doubt that the work done by the emergency services in the UK is above and beyond what most of us could even expect. There are, however, occasions when, in carrying out their duties, they can be involved in road traffic accidents with members of the public. If this sounds familiar to you, then you may be wondering whether or not you can be compensated for the accident. Today, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you can claim compensation for an accident involving the emergency services. In order to know where you stand when it comes to claiming against the emergency services, you must take note of whether or not the response vehicle in question was displaying its lights and sirens. The reason for this is because the law is different depending on whether or not the vehicle was responding to an emergency. Because the situation can be a tricky one to deal with, we highly recommend seeking the assistance of a road traffic accident claims specialist like legalexpert.co.uk. As each of the emergency services in the UK has its own unique process in how claims are dealt with, it can sometimes be a bit confusing for an individual if they're attempting to handle the claim by themselves. You can contact us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We offer a completely free consultation session where we'll help you establish what we believe your best course of action is. Immediately following your accident, we recommend that you do the following in order to help strengthen your claim. Collect all of the details of the drivers and vehicles involved, and if possible, take photographs of their registration plates and the extent of the damage at the scene of the accident. We should also collect the contact information of any witnesses at the scene of the accident, should a statement need to be taken at a later date. You should also get your injuries assessed and treated by a medical professional. Make a note of the date and time of this, as it will make it much easier to trace records at a later date. Keep track of any expenses or losses incurred as a result of your accident. This includes any loss of income or earnings, travel costs related to your accident, the cost of any medicines or treatments, and so on. Should we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are road traffic accident claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.